Hi! In front of me is NOKIA T21 and today I would like to show you where you can locate all text correction options available on this tablet. First of all, go into Settings. Now you need to scroll all the way down in order to access System. Then select Languages and Input, On-Screen Keyboard, and Rebirth. Lastly, click on Text Correction. As you can see, all typing features are available over here. If you wish to switch on or off one of them, just click on the switcher next to the chosen one. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment, and subscribe. Bye!